Hello friends, welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. This is Bharat. From this video we are going to start RRB JE previous year questions, and every day we are going to upload one or other topics. Better we will understand if we see a problem in LCM and HCF. Without wasting our time, let us see a question of previous year RRB JE 2015. The question asks the LCM and HCF of 24 and 36. So what is LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. And HCF is highest common factor. How to find this LCM? LCM of two numbers can be found by using prime factorization, whereas HCF is found by using long division method. Even if you don't understand the names, it's okay friends, don't bother about that. All you have to know is the procedure or the method we are going to see now. Let us see how to solve the LCM of two numbers. LCM of two numbers, that is 24 and 36. All you have to do is you have to write 24 comma 36 and you have to divide with prime numbers. First let us see if it is possible with 2. 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36. Okay friends, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Again you can divide it with 2, 2 3s are 6, whereas 9 you can't divide 9, you will bring the 9 below, then it is divided by 3, 1 comma 3. Here you can see that 3 2s and 2 3s, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube, and 3 into 3, that is 3 square. So the LCM of 24 and 36 is 2 cube into 3 square, that is nothing but 8 into 9, 72. This is LCM. We will find the HCF of 24 and 36. We will divide the bigger number with smaller number. Okay friends, 24 ones are 24 and the remainder is 12. Then we will again bring the divisor here and divide with the remainder. Did you get that friends? We are going to bring the divisor here and we are going to divide the divisor with the remainder. 12 2s are 24 friends. So what we are getting, the previous remainder is the HCF. The last remainder, non-zero remainder, is nothing but HCF. So LCM is 72 and HCF is 12. We are going to see many more problems. Another repeated question: find the LCM of the below numbers A, B, C, D. Here this is an independent question which came in first shift of RRB JE 2015 August 29 friends. This is of second shift question and third shift question. Okay friends, I have put together all the three questions. Find LCM of A comma B comma, LCM of A comma B comma C comma D is given by 2 into 11 into 13, but the power of 2, we have to take the maximum, which is the maximum 3, 4, 4, 5 is the maximum, friends. 2 power 5. Here, the power to the 11, we have to take the maximum value. For 13, we have to choose the maximum value. That's it, friends. Here the LCM is given by 5 power of 3, 5, 3, 4. Fifth one is the maximum. 7 power of the maximum is 5 to 19 to the power of 4. Here the LCM is given by 2 power, which is greater, friends, 5, 4, 6, 7. Out of that, 7 is greater. 7 power 5. 13 power 6. 6 is greater than 5, 4. 6. All you have to do is that you have to write the prime factors and you have to check for the particular corresponding power prime number which has highest power. That's it, friends. Find HCF and LCM of first two prime numbers. This has come in the previous year, the RRBJ 2015, 20th August, third shift, friends. Here, what we have to find? We have to find the LCM and HCF of first two prime numbers. What are the first two prime numbers? It's not 1, friends. It's not starting from 1. Prime number starts from 2. 2 and 3 are the first two prime numbers. And another 2 points which you have to remember is that HCF of any two prime numbers is 1, because there will be no common factor in prime numbers. Prime numbers doesn't have any factors, so there will be no common factor. 1 is the factor of any number, so we will get HCF of any two prime numbers is 1. And you also have to remember that LCM of any two prime numbers is product of those two numbers. Here the LCM of 2 and 3 is 2 into 3, that is 6. So we will get HCF is equals to 1, LCM is equals to 6. Let us see another problem. Find the HCF and LCM of 9 and 17. I am discussing all the problems, friends, so that you will be familiarized with this HCF and LCM. This is a pakka question in RRP JE. You are going to see this question in the question paper. See, friends, here why I am taken again this question is that here 9 and 17 are there. For HCF, there are no common factors. 17 is again a prime number, and 9 and 17 has no common factors. HCF becomes 1, whereas LCM, you don't have again the common factor. Of course, the factor for 9 is 3 and 3, and for 17 is 17 and 1. So we will get 9 into 17. If you come here for 16, the factors is nothing but 2 power 4, and for 25, the factor 5 power 2. There are no common factors in these two numbers, whereas for 16 you are getting 2 power 4 and 5 square. There are no common factors. Obviously for HCF you will be getting 1 as the highest common factor, and LCM is nothing but multiplication of 16 and 25, which is nothing but 400. So the HCF and LCM is given by 1, 400 respectively for 16 and 25. Another important property that we have to learn is the product of LCM and HCF of any two numbers is equal to the product of that two numbers. Suppose if A comma B are two numbers, then LCM of that two numbers is multiplied by HCF of the two numbers will be equal to the product of that very numbers. Let us see the problem. See friends, the HCF of two numbers is 12 and their LCM is 72. If one of the number is 48, find the other number which is given in 27th August of RRPJE paper. HCF, we know that HCF into LCM or LCM into HCF is equals to the product of that two numbers A and B. Here the HCF is given by 12 and LCM is 72. One of the number is given as 48. All you have to find the other second number. 12 4s are 48, 4 18s are 72. So the second number is 18. In the same lines, there are some other problems which we have seen in the previous question papers. This has come in 26th August and 27th August. In the same way, HCF is given by 6, LCM is given by 72, and one number is given as 24. The other number we have to find. 6 4s are 24. 4. Similarly, HCF into LCM is equals to the product of two numbers. HCF is given by 15, LCM 270, and one number is 45. The other number you have to find. 15 3s are 3, 90 is equal to 96. Hope you have got familiar with this question also. This is also a Pukka question in which will come in one or other shift. This is one of the tricky questions. Here the sum of two numbers is 55. The sum of two numbers is 55. Suppose x and y are the two numbers and x plus y is given by 55, and HCF and LCM of these numbers are respectively 5 and 110. So given HCF is equals to 5 and LCM is equals to 120. What we are asked to find, we have to find the sum of the reciprocals of the numbers. The sum of reciprocals of the numbers. In the sense, we have to find if x and y are the two numbers, we have to find the sum of reciprocals. Sum of reciprocals we have to find, friends. How we will get? Suppose if we cross multiply, we get, if we cross multiply, we get y plus x by xy, which is also can be written as x plus y by xy, which is nothing but the sum of the reciprocals of the number. So we already have x plus y. We already have x plus y. We need the product of the two numbers, that is x into y. We have HCF and LCM. we know that the product of HCF and LCM is nothing but the product of the two numbers x and y. So x and y is given by 5 into 120, that is 600. Substituting x and y and x plus y here, we get x plus y by xy is given by x plus y is 55 by 600, which is 5 11s are 5 120. Is now 11 by 120 is the answer for some of the reciprocals of the numbers. Okay. C is the answer. Once again I will explain friends. The sum of the reciprocals of the numbers is given by 1 by x plus 1 by y, which is nothing but if we cross multiply we will get x plus y by xy. We have already given with sum of the numbers. We need product of the numbers. We directly, the product of the numbers is not given, but the HCF and LCM is given, that is 5 and 120. If we multiply this LCM and HCF, we get the product of the numbers, which we can substitute here. By substituting here, we get the answer 11 by 120. Let us see another problem. The LCM of two numbers x and y. The LCM of what you have to note is that two prime numbers. The LCM of two prime numbers is given by 161. Then find the value of 3y minus x. Friends, we have discussed already the LCM of two prime numbers is nothing but the product of the numbers. HCF of two prime numbers is nothing but 1. In the same way, the LCM of two prime numbers x into y, which is nothing but 161. See friends, 161, what are the factors of 161? If we take 7, 23s are 161. And here we have given like this in x and y, x is greater than y. So 23 must be x and 7 must be y, because it is given in the question like x is greater than y. So here x is 23, y is 7. What we have to find? 3y minus x. 3y minus x given by 3 into y is 7 minus 23. That is 21 minus 20, which is given by minus 2. So A is the answer. Have you got it friends? Friends, we have already studied that LCM of two prime numbers is product of those prime numbers. HCF of two prime numbers is 1. Here the LCM of two prime numbers is given. In the sense, the multiplication of x and y is, the product of x and y is given, that is 161. From this we can have only two factors, 7 and 23. There are no other factors. So the biggest number should be x as given in the question, and the smallest number is y. By substituting x and y here in this question, we get the answer minus 2. Let us see the last problem. The HCF of x square minus 4, x square minus 5x minus 6 and x square plus x minus 6. This is the combination of polynomials and number system. You have to find the common factor in these polynomials, friends. If you take first polynomial x square minus 4, the factors are x minus 2 and x plus 2. If we take x square minus 5x minus 6, x plus 1 and x minus 6. Am I right, friends? Minus 6 plus x minus 6x is added, then we will get minus 5x. For x square plus x minus 6, the factors are x plus 3 and x minus 2. So is there any common factors, friends? In this we have x minus 2, here we have x minus 2, and here we have x minus 2, but there is no common factor in the second term. Am I right, friends? There is no common factor from the second polynomial. So if there is no common factor, 1 is the common factor in all the polynomials. So A1 is the answer. Have you got this, friends? See, you have to break down into factors of the polynomials and check for the common factor. There is no common factor existing between all the three polynomials. So obviously 1 will become the HCF of these polynomials. Okay, friends, from tomorrow every day we are uploading one or other topics of mathematics of previous year questions. So please like the video. If only like the video, then we will be encouraged and we will be motivated to do more and more videos which will be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, share this video to your friends which will be very useful for them. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.